Togus is an injection molding company. Foundationally, we have 20 injection molding machines from 25 tons up to 720 tons. I took over Togus in December of 2008 as the economy's in shambles. Manufacturing is going by the wayside, looking at the next Great Depression. Made the decision, rather than hunker down, to reinvest in capital equipment, in technology. So we called Stratasys in. We decided to purchase the Fortis 400 machine in March. What we wanted to focus on is helping our clients take an idea through prototype and development and into production. Stratasys is able to take a CAD file, we can import it into the machine and print a part in hours. Worst case scenario, if it's a large part, complex geometry, days, not weeks and months. The technology affords you the ability to actually get back one resource in this world you can't buy, and that's time. There's a far greater purpose to FDM, and it's in our manufacturing process, on our floor. Fixturing, product design, fixturing, end-of-arm tooling, part extraction, labor reduction, 5S, housekeeping, cleanliness, orderliness of fixtures, of parts, of tools, you name it. In every aspect of our business, FDM touches Togus. So having this technology here was a game changer. Our rapid prototype and manufacturing business is really the heart and soul of this company. It's become the heart and soul. It's located in the middle of our facility. We have 5 machines right now. We have 2 dimensions, 2 Fortis 400s, a 900, and a smoothing station. Obviously, we believe in Stratasys' technology. We're heavily invested in it. In the next 5 years, I think Togus will have, or RP&M will have more Fortis machines than injection molding machines. And as of today, we have 28 injection molding machines. And I don't care what industry you're in, this will impact it. I see Stratasys' technology as the future of manufacturing.